Picture this, guys. You're deep in that honeymoon phase, dates under starry skies, laughs that echo like summer thunder, her smile lighting up your world like fireworks on the 4th of July. But then, subtle cracks appear. A comment here, a demand there, and suddenly, your gut twists, whispering, something's off. That sinking feeling when you realize the woman you thought was your partner might be draining your wallet, your energy, your soul, leaving you broken, and questioning everything. It's a heartbreak that's hit millions of American men, from hard-working truckers in Ohio to tech execs in Silicon Valley, falling for toxic traits disguised as love, only to end up in therapy, rebuilding from scratch. Shocking stat from relationship psychology. Over 60% of toxic partnerships involve financial manipulation or emotional games, leading to depression, anxiety, and years of regret, according to studies from the American Psychological Association. And women, they're not immune, but today we're focusing on those red flags that scream gold digger or toxic so you can spot them early and protect your heart. Let me hit you with a real story that'll chill you to the bone, but show the way out. Actually, picture Jason, a 38-year-old construction foreman from Dallas, dragging himself into his psychologist's office on a sweltering afternoon, shoulders slumped, eyes hollow like he'd lost a war. "Doc," he choked out, voice cracking as tears welled. "I gave her everything. My savings, my time, my trust. She said she loved me, but it was all about the gifts, the trips, the status. When I couldn't keep up, she turned cold, manipulative texts, guilt trips, making me feel like trash. I thought she was the one, but she was a gold digger. Toxic through and through. How did I miss the signs? I'm shattered. Lost my home, my confidence, everything." Hey y'all, welcome back to Women's Mind Secrets, the channel decoding the female psyche with no BS, just truth bombs for better relationships across America. I'm your host, Dr. Jasmine, serving up that straight-shooting American wisdom. Think tailgate talks or late-night diner confessions. From the bustling cities of the Northeast to the wide-open plains of the Midwest, we're here to empower you with insights into love, lust, and red flags. Today, we're tackling a tough one, spotting toxicity early. If you're new, smash that subscribe and bell. Let's protect your heart together. The psychologist nodded, unpacking Jason's story session by session, revealing how Sarah's red flags were classic toxic traits rooted in her own insecurities and past. But here's the turnaround. With therapy, Jason learned to spot those signs early, rebuilt his life, and found a genuine partner. He returned months later, standing tall, grinning ear to ear. "Doc, I dodged a bullet with the next one, saw the flags and walked away. Now, I'm in a real relationship, happy and whole. That knowledge saved me." If Jason's gut-wrenching tale from the therapist's couch resonates, if you're tired of getting played and ready to reject toxicity before it poisons your life, this lecture is your shield. We're breaking down the 3 major red flags that mean she's toxic or a gold digger, and why you should run, not walk, away. No games, just real psychology for strong, healthy love. Stay with me. Your future self will thank you. All right, let's dive right in. No sugarcoating. In a country like ours, where independence and hard work are badges of honor, from Wall Street hustlers to small-town farmers, nobody wants to pour their sweat into a relationship only to get burned by toxicity or gold digging. Today, we're unpacking the 3 major red flags that scream toxic or gold digger. Signs backed by psychology from experts like those at the APA and relationship therapists across the US. This isn't about bashing women, it's about empowering you to spot unhealthy patterns, set boundaries, and seek genuine connections. Remember, toxicity can go both ways. Men can be gold diggers too, but per your request, we're focusing on women here. Gold diggers often stem from deeper issues like insecurity or past trauma, but that doesn't excuse the behavior. And toxicity, it's a pattern of manipulation that erodes trust. If you see these signs, reject and move on. Your peace is worth it. First, a quick psych primer. Women in toxic modes often use relationships for validation or gain, rooted in narcissistic traits or attachment issues. Gold digging is a form of exploitation, creating power imbalances. Spotting early saves heartbreak. Red flag. 1. Constant focus on money and material things. If she's always eyeing your wallet, asking about your job, car, or pushing for expensive dates, chow gifts early, that's classic gold digger territory. Psychology. This stems from materialism, where love is transactional. In healthy relationships, it's about shared experiences, not spending. Analogy. Like a used car salesman pushing add-ons, it's all about what she gets, not who you are. Emotional story. Take Brad from Florida, who told his therapist about his ex. She complimented my watch on date 1, then hinted at jewelry by date 3. When I said no to a luxury trip, she ghosted. I felt used, like an ATM. His psyche helped him see it as her insecurity, but Brad walked away wiser. If she does this, reject. She's digging for gold, not your heart. Red flag 2, manipulation and emotional blackmail. Constant guilt trips, playing victim, or using sexist emotions to get what she wants. That's toxic red flag city. Psychology, narcissistic tendencies or borderline traits lead to this, creating dependency. Gold diggers use it to control finances. It's like a bad poker game. She's bluffing to win your pot. Story. Kevin from New York broke down in therapy. She'd cry if I didn't buy her things, say I didn't love her. It was exhausting. I lost friends, self-respect. His psyche labeled it toxic manipulation. Kevin ended it. Found peace. Reject if you see this. It's poison. TikTok calm. Medium calm. Red flag 3, lack of empathy and self-centered behavior. If she's always about herself, no interest in your day, dreams, or struggles, run. Psychology, low empathy signals, narcissism, gold diggers see you as a means to an end. Healthy women reciprocate care. Analogy, like a one-sided football game, you're tackling alone while she scores. Tale, Mark from California shared with his therapist. She never asked about my job loss, just wanted dinner out. Felt invisible. Therapy revealed her toxicity. Mark left, found an empathetic partner. Reject, you deserve mutual respect. You deserve a partner who lifts you up, not one who drains you. While most women are genuine, a few toxic or gold-digging types can cause real damage. Here's straightforward advice to protect your heart, wallet, and peace of mind. Watch her relationship with money. If she's obsessed with your income, car, or lifestyle early on, asking about your salary on date 2, pushing for expensive outings, or getting cold when you suggest low-key plans, that's a major red flag. A healthy woman values time with you over what you buy her. Test how she handles no. Set a small boundary. If she responds with guilt trips, silent treatment, or anger, walk away. Manipulation like this only escalates. Check her empathy. Does she genuinely care about your day, struggles, and wins, or do conversations always circle back to her needs? Lack of empathy is the core of toxicity. She'll never truly have your back when life gets tough. Trust your gut. That uneasy feeling, don't ignore it. Every man who's been burned says the same. I saw the signs early but talked myself out of them. Take your time. Real love grows steadily. Anyone rushing commitment, moving in fast, or love bombing you wants control, not connection. The pain of walking away early is nothing compared to years lost to someone who uses you. You're worth real love, kind, reciprocal, and supportive. Hold out for that. Stay sharp, stay kind, and keep your standards high. You've got this. We've armed you with the truth on red flags today on Women's Mind Secrets. If this saved you future pain, like, comment your experiences respectfully, and subscribe for more insights. Share with a brother in need. Remember, real love lifts you up. Go find it. See you next time.